Welcome once again to Backend Recorders, and in this session, we'll look into how you can set up your Windows 11 PC. You set up the IIS, and you install a website on it. So the first thing you need to do, you need to open Control Panel, and you go to Programs and Features. Then you go to Programs. Once you go to Programs, you can click on the Install or Uninstall a program, and then on the left you have the link to turn Windows features on or off. Once you click Turn Windows features on or off, you need to scroll down to where we have the IIS, Internet Information Services. You need to select it, and here, depending with the tools that you want to set up, you just select the ones that you need to set up running. And so because it's just a PC machine, you can just enable a number of them that you want and the features that you want on your IIS running. And after you select all of them, you just need to also enable. And you add the internet application or internet information services. We have FTP server. Because you're on your local machine, you don't need to enable that necessarily. We have the web management tools, and for IIS 6 management and the compatibility, you can just select those that you need. In a different video, we will show you what you need to enable for the different purposes. You can also enable or select the different application development features that you will using in your development. So the features to select will be based on what product you're working on or the project you're working on. And once you select all those that you want to select, then you can just click OK, and then Windows will install the required files, and this may be fast or slow based on your internet speed and the specifications of your machine. So it installs and applies changes. So this is now setting up the IIS for ready for development, and then you'll be able to open IIS after this. So it's completed the requested changes, so you can close this. And so once you start IIS, you can open the IIS. The shortcut is inet mgr. And once you open that, because you've now set up the IIS, now yes, here it is ready. We have our IIS set up already, and then on IIS you have so we have the application tools. We have the default one set, and we have the default website already here. So yeah, you have IIS. So the next thing you can let me guide you on how to create a website. So for now, we'll actually remove for what we have on our own. So so we open to one of the folders on the www.root, and then we can create a new folder here. Once you create a new folder, we just call it backend demo 1. And so on this, we'll just not put anything yet on this folder, but then we say that this is going to be the root of our website. So we select that root path, and then we go to our IIS site. Then we say add new website. Then we call it backend demo 1. On the physical path, we select that as the physical path, and we test settings. Authorization may fail at this point because we are not putting it on the root folder, and we can set it to run on port 80 for now, and we just say OK. So at this point, if you browse the website on port 80, so this should be localhost here it is, it's saying forbidden because there is nothing in that website. So in the next video, we'll see how we are now going to create a .NET 8 web project and deploy it to our IIS that we have set up. Thank you. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, I would encourage you to just hit the subscribe button, and you receive all the notifications of the good videos and products are going to be releasing on this channel. Thank you.